this side done. New caps, like to replace some hubcap whenever I have them off. That way the driver can easily see the oil level on his pre-trips and whatnot. Sent the driver to go get some new brake shoes. These are split. Known that before I put the other side together, because I'd like to do the whole axle. But I ain't taking it back apart, so she's gonna have to ride like that for a minute. Got some life in the other one, but I just like to replace each side when I do one. This side of the trailer's got some shade, a lot better than the other side. I was about to fucking die over there. Airing out. Oh, it's got it dirty, but looks pretty good. And little lines, but nothing you can feel. We can rerun that all day. The best drain pan money can buy. Traveler's oil bucket. These Stemcos are pretty good seals, but literally every single time you take it apart, it splits. I mean, they seal good. I don't really see too many issues out of them. I usually have to come back with an air hammer or a chisel every single time. That, and they are a kind of a pain to install. You need a special tool, and if it's not just right, it'll leak every time. Turn our valve off. Best thing I've seen for this is a dull air hammer bit like that. You gotta be careful not to nick it. Looks like a charm. Alright, seen some complaints about these rev seals, but I had no issue with them. Easy to install, they're cheap. I keep using them until they give me a reason not to. Stuff here is pretty cool. Thought it was some sort of sealant, but it actually swells the rubber, create a tighter seal. If that's true or not, I don't know, but that's what the fucking box says, so that's what I'm gonna say too. Have a set of brand new, several hundreds of dollar Snap-on seal installers in the truck, because they say not to use it on these. Only thing worse than doing a wheel seal is doing one for free, so I'm gonna do what the box says. Dumbass. I'm sure your socket's dirty. Makes it screw in there better. I really love that design. Always ends up a little bit tighter than I want it to be. Next, you want to get your torque gun out. Torque it to whatever the nerds say. Until it beeps. I heard a beep. Trailer's making weird noises. I don't have a jack stand under it. Maybe, just maybe, it will crush and kill me. Clean out your funnel. AKA DOT inspection form.